Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jabas. All of us are getting busy for this festive season and here's a perfect festive recipe for you. I'm going to explain the art of making ras malai at home in 3 simple steps. Do watch the video till the end to master the art of making perfect ras malai at home. As a first step, I'll be making the ras for the ras malai. Have the chopped nuts, the cardamom and the saffron ready. Separate the seeds from the cardamom pods and then add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar and powder it in a mortar and pestle and keep it aside. In a wide mouthed and heavy bottomed large pan, take 1.5 liters of full fat milk and boil the milk on a medium to high flame and keep stirring at regular intervals as we do not want the milk to burn. And reduce the milk to 1 liter and keep scraping the malai from the sides of the pan as this will make the ras malai creamy and grainy. After the milk is reduced to 1 liter, add saffron, the sugar, the nuts and the cardamom and boil on a medium to high flame for another 10 minutes, and this milk should not be thick. The malai will not soak up the ras if the milk is too thick, and the milk has to be thin. Do not use store-bought cardamom powder as this will not add flavor to the ras. Use cow's milk or buffalo's milk or any milk of your choice, but do not use skimmed milk or 2% fat milk. Now you can see the ras is ready, and this is the easiest process in making the ras malai. Transfer this ras to a large bowl, and at this stage if you want you can add 1/4 teaspoon of kesar color. It's entirely optional, and allow it to cool. This process would take 30 to 40 minutes. Instead of saffron you can also use kesar color. Let's get into the second step of making the paneer balls. For this I am taking 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, and I am going to dilute this with 3 tablespoons of water. So we need to take equal quantity of vinegar and equal quantity of water and dilute it, as we do not want the paneer to hold the vinegar flavor in it. Keep this diluted mixture aside. Have the strainer ready as well with a thin cotton cloth or a muslin cloth lined on top of the strainer. Next, take 1.5 liters of cow's milk on a milk pan and boil it on a high flame. Using cow's milk to make the paneer will result in having a soft paneer. Now the milk has boiled, remove it from the flame. And after 5 minutes, add the vinegar mixture little at a time until the milk solids curdle completely. And do not add the vinegar mixture all at once. Add a little and then stir for 2 to 3 minutes, and then add a little and stir for another 2 to 3 minutes, and stir it until you see the milk curdle and the whey water separates. The milk started to curdle now. When you see a clear water with yellowish green color, then that is the right stage that your paneer is ready. At this stage, immediately transfer the paneer through the strainer, or else your paneer will get rubbery. If not, you have to rinse it with a glass of cold water to stop the paneer from cooking further. If you let the paneer sit in the whey water for long, then the paneer will get rubbery. So immediately squeeze out the excess whey water as much as you can. Then tie the cloth with a small string and hang it on your kitchen tap for 30 to 40 minutes so that all the whey water drains out completely. After 30 or 40 minutes, take either 4 cups of water and a cup of sugar, Or take 6 cups of water and 1.5 cups of sugar on a heavy bottomed, wide mouthed pan, and I'm using 6 cups of water and 1.5 cups of sugar as my pot is a bit deep. Boil it on a medium to high flame and keep stirring occasionally. In the meanwhile, transfer the paneer onto a kneading plate. The paneer should be moist to touch, and at the same time, the whey water should be completely drained. If not, the paneer balls would break while boiling. Most of us fail to knead the paneer properly, and here's the trick for you to knead the paneer rightly. Transfer the paneer to a mixer jar and cover the jar with the lid. Pulse it for only 4 times and do not pulse more than 4 times, or do not blend the paneer. See, the paneer has come together to a holding consistency. Now transfer the paneer to a kneading plate and with the heel of your palm knead the paneer exactly for 5 minutes. And if you feel that the paneer balls might not come together, then at this stage you can add a tablespoon of cornstarch and keep kneading the paneer. And if you're not pulsing the paneer in a mixer grinder, then you need to knead the paneer for 15 to 20 minutes or until the paneer comes together as a dough. Do not apply too much pressure while kneading. To know if the paneer dough is ready, take a small portion and roll it between your palms, and if it holds its shape without any cracks on its surface, then it's good to go. See, it's ready and it's good to go now. And let's divide the dough into 2 equal portions and roll it evenly into long rolls. Then divide it into small equal portions using a knife. See, pulsing the paneer in the mixer jar had made our kneading so easy. You know, we'll get about 18 to 20 balls depending on how small or how big portions that we make. Take a single portion and roll it into a small ball between your palms and press it gently. Ensure that there is no cracks on the sides. Even out all the cracks if any and arrange it on a plate. Cover the plate with a wet cloth if you get slow while rolling, and as we do not want our paneer balls to get dry. Now our paneer balls are ready to cook. So let's get into the third step to cook the paneer in the sugar syrup. Dip 1 ball into the boiling sugar syrup to check if the paneer ball is falling apart or holding its shape. If the paneer ball disintegrates, knead the paneer dough again and then cook it. If the paneer ball is holding its shape, do not throw the paneer balls all at once into the sugar syrup. Add them one at a time. Wait for the ball to rise up to the top and hold its shape. Then dip the next ball and then wait and repeat the process. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on a high flame. Remember, the sugar syrup should be boiling at all time on high flame. You can see how the balls have swelled up in its size. Have the flame on low now and gently with a feather touch, stir the balls from the sides just for once. Again, cover and cook for another 7 minutes on a medium flame and then switch off the flame. Let's see. See, it is done. So you might have a question how to ensure that the paneer balls are fully cooked. Take a paneer ball and drop it in a bowl of cold water or a glass of cold water, and when you drop the paneer, it will immediately sink to the bottom and you'll know it's perfectly cooked. Now cover and rest the paneer balls in the sugar syrup for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take out the paneer balls one at a time and gently squeeze out the excess syrup from the ball using a spoon or a fork. If you're not gentle, then the paneer ball might break, remember. Then dip it into the prepared ras. Continue the same process until the last ball. Try this recipe and share your thoughts in the comment section below. The creaminess, the richness from the ras, and then the paneer ball dipping into that ras. OMG. It's time to rest the ras malai for a minimum of 4 hours in the fridge or even overnight. Now the ras malai is ready. Let's transfer the malai to the serving plate and drizzle the ras on top. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and for a written recipe, please visit my website and I will leave the link below in the description box for you. I couldn't curb my temptation to have these beauties. Garnish with few nuts on top. And if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications of my new videos. Now it's the moment of truth. Let's check the ras malai, how it had turned out. See? Wow, it's so soft and creamy to touch. See, it's light and airy. And when I squeeze it, you can see how it springs back to its own original shape. It holds the soaked up ras, juicy and succulent as well. And what are you waiting for? Please get into your kitchen to make it and enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching, and until then, it's Jabaz signing off. Bye-bye.